Hey guys, so today I have a very light backpack to introduce. This is PGYTECH OnePro Ultralight backpack. So I'm going to show you guys what I have in 20 liters. So there is a little bit difference between 20 liters and 30-40 liters. If you like the overall outer design of ultralight backpack, but if you need bigger capacity, then definitely do check out other videos for 30 and 40 liters. So for 20 liters, I'm really enjoying this air foam suspension system. You can see that there is mesh, but inside there is the air foam. Really great cushion. Let me show you in more detail. So this is very cushiony, and the mesh here is extremely breathable. You know, in the summertime, you would want some cool breathing mesh like this. And also on this side, the outer frame, to keep the whole camera backpack in shape. I can feel that, you know, there is metal frame here all around to keep the camera in good shape. And for 30 and 40 liters, there is the patented dual frame system. So while I'm walking, I find the shoulder strap, the padded wide shoulder strap, really useful. So you can see how wide it is. It's like, you know, one of those like professional running vests. Really comfortable. And I'm going to show you inside the mesh as well. But before we do that, I'm going to show you the chest strap. So the chest strap is fully adjustable, the length. So you can go like really wide, you know, if you have big chest. And also the height of the strap, you can change as well on both sides. So to unstrap, just hold the string, pull, very easy. And there's like dent underneath. So this strap will just be fixed like this. Pull if you want to change the height. Push it in, there's a dent so it clicks. Pull it out on both sides. So you are symmetrical. So the entire suspension system completely stays in balance. The weight gets distributed from front, back, and so on. And pull it out. I'm just going to show you what you find in the shoulder padding. It's mesh, very breathable, the foam. And also the foam has a bit of gap. So the shoulder padding is completely breathable, really comfortable, and great if you carry a lot of gears on your 20, 30, 40 liter backpack of ultra light backpack. So for 30, 40 liters, there is the adjustable back length. But for me, I find that actually it's just enough to strap in the shoulder, have it match my height perfectly. And there's definitely room for any height out there because this strap is rather long. So for me, just need to pull it up quite a bit to have it completely well fitted to my back. So now I'm walking uphill with ultra light backpack on my back, and the fact that it is super light, it really helps because a lot of camera backpack, I do find that they can be a little heavy, but with this ultra light backpack, it's super light. Makes my life so easy. I can see myself just carrying it anywhere, you know, not just for camera, but for any utility, any purpose. To share the details of PGYTECH's OnePro Ultralight backpack, it only weighs 1.3 kilograms, so 2.87 pounds, and 30 liter backpack only weighs 1.45 kilograms, so 3.12 pounds, and the 40 liter backpack, it only weighs 1.6 kilograms, so 3.53 pounds. Really light for a camera backpack with all the cushion and protection. So compared to other camera backpacks out there, it is super light. So, you know, there's no problem me just carrying my gears and walking up steps. And the reason why this PGYTECH's OnePro Ultralight backpack is so light is because the outer shell, it has the high strength nylon blend fabric that is also splash proof. So it's very durable, but it's super light. So the beauty of this ultralight backpack being a camera backpack is that you can go 180 degrees to access the big compartment of this ultralight backpack. Ta-da! So what I just showed you is like the leisure hiking mode. I had few essential like clothing and so on for just hiking, you know, taking things light. But you get a set of dividers for this camera backpack, of course. So you can use these dividers. They all come off. Strong Velcro. So you can almost make a little house with this. And inside there are straps for tripod. If you want to fully utilize the backpack, just insert this massive divider. Make sure they are velcroed so you can see how deep this space is. And then you can use this divider, velcro at the bottom here. And on this side, there are loops. The loops. So I've looped it in and place it like this. There's a massive space. Also, it's very, very well protected. Here there's a pocket to easy access, so there's no side here. With a little bit of effort because the velcros are really, really strong. So I've come up with this imaging creation mode. And even after putting all the dividers, I have one still left. But you can put it in to fit in your gears, fit in the size of your gears. So in this mode, I can put in my camera lens like this. And these elastics, 2 of them, come with this bag. So everything here is completely secure and you can fit in as many camera lens as you can. Probably all the camera lens that you need for your entire event. However, more often you probably don't need to carry so many gears. You don't need so many dividers. So here I'm rearranging, stick it here, and also the other side loop in and Velcro. So in this compartment, you have the hard shell sort of on the first floor, but second and third floor, like an apartment. So first floor, second, third. So first floor, hard shell. All your gears are completely protected. And here you really get to maximize using your pocket, or you can insert something else on the second floor here. For leisure, you can always take this entire hard shell off if you want. On the top, there is a laptop sleeve. The laptop sleeve can accommodate MacBook Pro 14-inch, and 30 and 40 liters can accommodate up to 16-inch MacBook Pro. At the side, it's very cushiony with the air foam, so your laptop or your tablet is very secure. Now let's take a look at what's on the outside of this ultralight backpack, because there are so many useful pockets. So on the outer layer, this is not just design, this is for utility as well. You roll this out, you get a little hook. You pull it out and you get like a really massive, so look at my arm, you get a really massive deep pocket. So this will be really handy for your camera gimbal, anything irregular, you can just fit it in the pocket. And it's nice to just hold up your backpack like this and put in anything that you want like easy access to. So it even fit in my massive down jacket. It can be closed like this. Still works really well. And on the upper part, there is a little string you can detach and roll it out, and there is a zip, and it gives access to the pocket that you've seen inside when I opened it from the back, and it's actually pretty wide, and also hook it up so it's really secure. And this string, the hook, can be pulled to fit the capacity. And you might have noticed there is another zip here. So it gives access to actually a small pocket. So I again have my additional battery. This is also from PGYTECH, the MagTem 2 phone grip that I showed you in the video not long ago. Do check it out. So this zip is actually really secure. So there is anti-theft mechanism, so you can't really see there is a zip, and it's slightly hidden by this top fabric. So this little zip is really secure. It's actually a really nice day to walk around with ultralight backpack. Oh, I'm getting a phone call. Hello. Yes, I'm hiking with my ultralight backpack. So you've seen that, yes, there is a little pocket. Super useful. It's mesh, so any size of goods can fit in. If you see something really nice, then you want a quick access to your camera, then here there is a side pocket and access your camera and you can put it right back as well. And inside the pocket, you can unzip it and there are like battery compartment. There are actually 4 slots. So here I have 1 battery. If you know you've completely used up your battery, needs recharging, then you can change the indicator red, green, and the other side as well. And this is actually cushioned, so it protects your battery. And the zips are all made of highest quality from YKK, and they're waterproof. And the easy access has the anti-theft mechanism as well. So you can push it in and pull it in, and you have a very secure zip ending, the anti-theft mechanism of YKK zip. Here at the side, there are 2 elastic strings as well as mesh pocket here. So you can actually put a number of stuff there, like water bottle. For me, I put like a slim tripod, or you can even put the walking stick. There is a hook. Very easy to detach. Securely hook it in this way. Then I can even have a walking stick. And at the bottom, there are strings that I've shown you already, but you can place tripod at the bottom of the backpack as well. If you need a very quick access to your camera, then on the shoulder pad, there are like slots where you can put the camera beetle clip. So here, I'm using the PGYTECH camera clip. And now the camera is ready on my shoulder padding, really comfortable. And now I'm ready to explore. So I've had fantastic time climbing up the mountain with this ultralight backpack. Because this ultralight backpack is super light, it didn't actually bother me climbing up the mountain with my camera. It was actually really comfortable with the shoulder pad, the airfoam back panel. So I can really see myself carrying this ultralight backpack 20 liters with me everywhere. For any of you guys who do want bigger capacity, definitely do check out 30 and 40 liters. In the link down below, I have great promotion codes, so don't forget to check the link out for more detail. And I'll be back with other interesting gadget reviews, so don't forget to stay tuned. Happy New Year and see you!